Are you searching for the best survival axe that will not fail you in the wilderness? I have searched the Amazon website to bring you the top 10 best survival axes that have been tested for their durability, versatility, and performance. These axes have been tested for chopping wood, as well as survival situations. And trust me, the one at the top of this list is built differently from the rest, as it is designed to outperform the competition. Let's get into it. Number 10. HX Outdoor Folding Tactical Axe. The HX Outdoors Folding Tactical Axe Survival is a versatile multi-purpose tool intended for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. With a DC-53 steel blade featuring a black titanium finish, this multi-purpose tool offers unparalleled durability and cutting ability for chopping, cutting, and slicing. The folding design allows for compact portability, ensuring this multi-purpose tool is perfect for camping, hiking, or survival situations. The G10 material offers a secure grip, while the included hammer and bottle opener enhance its tactical and survival capabilities. This multi-purpose tool offers unparalleled versatility and reliability, weighing lightly while providing impressive durability. Priced at $146.99, this multi-purpose tool offers unparalleled performance and durability for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 9. Gerber Gearack Hatchet. Gerber Gearack Hatchet is a small but reliable tool designed for camping, bushcraft, and survival expeditions. It has a 3.5-inch steel blade with a black oxide coating that is rust-resistant. It is designed with a tall grind that ensures maximum sharpness. It is a full-tang design with a rubber handle that is comfortable to use. It is only 9.46 inches long and weighs only 20.8 ounces. It is therefore very portable, whether you are going for a hike, hunting, or any survival situation. It has a lanyard hole and a detachable sheath that is made of nylon. It is designed to attach to your backpack or belt. It is only $27.79, making it a must-have tool for any adventurer. Number 8. Fiskars X714in Lightweight Hatchet. Fiskars X714in Lightweight Hatchet is a powerful and compact hatchet that is perfect for camping, outdoor activities, and chopping wood. It is built with insert molded forged steel that ensures maximum durability and performance. Fiskars has developed a special blade grinding technology that ensures the hatchet remains sharp and cuts deeper into the wood. With this technology, the hatchet is able to make cuts that are 3 times deeper. In addition, the hatchet's low friction coating ensures that the wood does not stick to the blade. As a result, the user is able to chop the wood efficiently with every swing. Furthermore, the shock-absorbing fiber comp handle ensures that the user does not get tired after chopping wood. With the Fiskars X7, the user is able to chop wood efficiently. It is reasonably priced at $34.98. Number 7. Lexivon V1 Survival Hatchet. The Lexivon V1 Survival Hatchet is an ideal lightweight axe for camping, bushcraft, and wilderness survival. The 9.5-inch lightweight axe boasts a 6mm stainless steel blade that is electro-black coated, offering maximum resistance to rust, corrosion, and harsh weather conditions. The axe is designed to offer maximum strength and stability, enabling effective and precise striking. The axe handle is ergonomically designed and consists of 2 materials, offering comfort and precision, reducing hand fatigue during long hours of use. The ultra-sharp blade, designed in the form of a tall grind, slices wood efficiently without sticking. The slim protective sheath and lanyard hole enable easy carrying and storage, making it an ideal choice for campers, bushcraft, and wilderness survivalists. Price: $29.99. Number 6. KSEIBI Wood Axe. KSEIBI Wood Axe is a good option, as it is a reliable and affordable option that is suitable for camping, hiking, and wood chopping. It has a high-quality steel blade that is forged to the highest standard and is heat-treated for maximum efficiency. It is suitable for chopping wood and creating kindling for campfires. It has a 14-inch handle that is lightweight and allows the user to swing the axe with more power. It is designed with ergonomics in mind, making it comfortable to use while camping or hiking. It is a 2-in-1 axe that is suitable for chopping wood, as well as acting as a flat hammer. It is suitable for inserting tent stakes. It has accurately ground edges and is finished with a lacquered coating. Price, $22.28. Number 5. Freelander Camping Axe. The Freelander Camping Axe is an ideal multi-tool that is perfect for camping, hiking, and even in survival situations. The Freelander Camping Axe is constructed with a reinforced handle, making it an ideal tactical hatchet that is strong and sturdy. The blade of the axe is precision sharp, making it ideal for cutting wood, firewood, and even small branches. The axe is also multifunctional, meaning that it can be used as a hammer, hex wrench, bottle opener, and even as a climbing carabiner. The axe is lightweight and compact, meaning that it can be carried in the backpack or even on your belt. The Freelander Camping Axe comes in a sheath, and its price is $21.99. Number 4. Fiskars X13 Ultralight Axe 13. Fiskars X13 Ultralight Axe is a compact and efficient tool designed specifically for hikers, campers, and adventurers. Fiskars has designed this compact and efficient tool to be 15% lighter compared to the compact X series axes. Fiskars has designed the Fiskars X13 Ultralight Axe with a double hardened forged steel head with Fiskars proprietary blade grinding technology. Fiskars proprietary blade grinding technology ensures that the axe is sharp and cuts efficiently, while at the same time remains sharp. Fiskars X13 Ultralight Axe is designed with a high-visibility orange fiber comp handle that is incredibly strong and shock-absorbing. Fiskars has designed the Fiskars X13 Ultralight Axe with a low friction-coated head that glides efficiently through wood, while at the same time preventing rust. Fiskars X13 Ultralight Axe is designed with a safe locking sheath with belt loop. Price, $29.79. Number 3. MOSSY OAK 12-inch Hatchet. The MOSSY OAK 12-inch Camping Axe and Survival Hatchet are a small yet robust axe designed for camping, hiking, and survival in the wilderness. The axe is 12 inches long with a 6-inch sharp black-coated blade. The axe is robust and reliable for chopping small logs, preparing firewood, or even clearing small trails in the woods. The survival hatchet is versatile, as it has 5 built-in hex wrench slots and an alternate edge for cutting ropes or barks. The dual-colored ergonomic axe handle is designed with a textured rubber grip that allows for comfort and security even in wet conditions. The axe is provided with a heavy-duty Oxford sheath with belt loops and metal fasteners for easy transport. The axe is robustly built with reinforced screws, making it stable. Price, $19.99. Number 2. 10-inch Outdoor Hatchet Forged. The 10-inch Outdoor Hatchet Forged carbon steel axe is a compact and rugged tool that is ideal for camping, hiking, and chopping wood. It is made from 45 carbon steel that is heat-treated. It is then subjected to a comprehensive forging process that enhances the sharpness, strength, and longevity of the tool. In addition, the tool is spray-painted to prevent rust, corrosion, and wear. The tool has a fiberglass shock reduction handle that ensures maximum strength, balance, and non-slip grip. As a result, the tool is ideal for chopping wood as it reduces the shock. Furthermore, the tool has a flat hammer that is ideal for hammering stakes. In addition, the tool has a cover that is used to store the tool securely. Price, $9.99. Number 1. ESTWING Camper Axe 14 inches. The ESTWING Camper Axe 14 inches is a tough and reliable tool designed specifically for campers, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals. Constructed from a single piece of solid American steel, this hatchet is incredibly strong and durable, with no welds or joints to weaken the head. With a 4-inch hand-sharpened cutting edge, this axe is ideal for chopping logs, splitting kindling, trimming branches, and even pulling tent stakes. The ESTWING Camper Axe 14 inches is equipped with the patented shock reduction grip, which reduces the impact of vibration by as much as 70%. A high-visibility orange handle ensures that this axe is clearly visible while outdoors, while the heavy-duty ballistic nylon sheath with belt loop ensures safe carrying and storage. Constructed proudly in the USA, this reliable axe is priced at $37.99. That's a wrap for my review of the top 10 best survival axes on Amazon. Whether you're camping, prepping, or just a lover of high-quality tools, these axes will keep your set. Don't forget to check out number 1 though. It's truly built different. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.